Yo, what's up YouTube? My name is August and today I'm gonna be showing you my recent pickups from these past weeks. I've been going a little heavy on the shopping recently because we're currently transitioning into spring and summer. So I have a lot to show you today. So let's get right into it. Starting off with my favorite thrift find, probably ever, are these vintage Carhartt cargo shorts in this beautiful shade of grey. You can really tell that the previous owner or owners has actually wore these a lot and it's now ended up in a very nice faded color. These I picked up for 50 bucks here in Norway at a thrift shop called Good Vibes Vintage. So if you're in Oslo, you should definitely go check out this store. It's one of my favorite thrift stores here in Norway. Next up I have another used pickup. These Air Max 95s in, I believe the colorway is called Georgetown. I got them on a website called finn.no, which all my Norwegian people know about. And it's basically the same as eBay, so everyone can sell whatever they want on there. The price on these I was actually quite happy about, but a lot of people in my TikTok comments didn't seem to agree. And it was probably because of the condition. It looks so much worse on camera than in real life. Anyways, I paid 80 bucks for these, and considering they're almost 200 bucks when you buy them new, I think that's a good deal. Moving on to the new stuff. Firstly, I bought some clothing from Weekday because they had a big sale with a lot of good pieces for up to 60% off. I was in dire need of a zip-up hoodie, so I bought this Eric oversized hoodie in the sage colorway. It fits a bit long in my opinion, so I've been using the rubber band technique I taught you in one of the last videos for cropping it. You can watch that video if you click here. Next up is this standard midway t-shirt in khaki green. Again, very basic, but it looks clean and I needed a new green t-shirt. Lastly, this Randy linen short sleeve shirt in the beige colorway. I really like the color and the fit around the shoulders and the chest and stuff, but similar to the zip-up hoodie, I think this fits a bit too long for my preference, so I'm probably gonna end up cropping it soon. It should be a pretty straightforward project, so I'm gonna get that done soon, and then it will be perfect for summer. These 3 items cost me approximately $50. Next up, TikTok's favorite trend for this summer, Blokecore. Yes, of course I had to get in on this. That's why I bought these 2 kits. The first one is this Brazil home kit from the 2002-2003 season with Ronaldinho on the back. I got the inspiration to get a Brazil kit from the owner of Cortez, Clint419. I searched up the Brazil designs from all of the years and found out that 2002-2003 was my favorite, so I went for it. I also got this Real Betis shirt from the 96-97 season. The inspiration for this was the iconic Hector Bellerin Blokecore picture. Both of these together cost me around 100 bucks from some shady replica website. I really wish I bought the originals, but the price was super high and it was super hard to find on any website. Next, I also got another pair of shoes. I haven't actually used them yet, they're still in the box. These I didn't really buy for outfit purposes, but rather just using them for running and walking the dog and stuff. If you're into running and Hokas, you have probably already guessed what model this is. And it's of course the Clifton 9s. I got them in the all black colorway because they're probably gonna get dirty really quick anyways. But these actually look really clean and I might just have to style them before I ruin them. This next one was not actually something I picked up recently, but it feels like it because I upcycled some jeans and now they're a completely different type of clothing. And I'm talking about these jorts. I recently upcycled them from a pair of jeans I didn't use. Now I have another clothing item that I'm definitely going to be wearing a lot this summer. The pants were actually my grandpa's and it's from a brand called Mac Gordon. They were size 38 waist and 30 in the legs, so they were both too wide and too short for me. So I figured making them into jorts was the best move. Anyways, I've ordered even more clothing, for instance something from Cortez, among other things. So if you like this type of content and would like to see another video of this, please let me know in the comments. If not, please let me know what else you would like to see on the channel. And yeah, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and if you made it all the way to the end, you're a real one.